Ever look at your phone and think, ugh, same old icons, same old layout? What if you could completely transform your device to perfectly match your mood, style, or even the season? Get ready to give your smartphone a stunning makeover with app themes, Icon Kit, and Widgets. This app is a powerhouse for personalizing your device. It offers thousands of aesthetic themes that bundle beautiful 4K wallpapers, unique app icons for all your favorites, and functional widgets like clocks, calendars, and even photo collages. You can easily apply these curated themes with just a few taps or DIY your own designs using your personal photos and preferred colors. It's perfect for expressing your personality, staying organized with at-a-glance info, and making your phone truly yours. Now, while app themes provides vast customization, users often report some frustrations. Many of the best designs and premium features are locked behind subscriptions or in-app purchases, and the free version can be riddled with frequent, disruptive ads. Also, sometimes applying custom icons requires a workaround that adds a slight delay when launching apps, which can be annoying. I totally get that nobody wants a paywall or a glitchy experience. However, for its sheer volume of beautiful, high-quality themes and the ease of applying them, it's a fantastic way to personalize your phone. I personally love discovering new artistic themes that completely change the feel of my home screen. It's a small detail that brings a lot of joy. Ready to give your device a fresh, personalized look? What's your thought?